Meaning of harbour master.
Harbour master.
Harbour master.
Harbour master.
Harbour master. A harbour master is a person responsible for overseeing the operations and safety of a port or harbour. Their duties include managing vessel traffic, enforcing regulations, coordinating emergency responses, and maintaining navigational aids. They also liaise with various authorities involved in sea transportation such as shipping companies, customs and immigration officials, and local government bodies. A harbour master must have extensive knowledge of maritime law, navigation, and port operations. They play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth functioning of ports and protecting the environment while maintaining safety and security.